Okay,
Where did you get your flowers, Terry?
I get most of my flowers from Driesbach Wholesale.
From where?
Driesbach Wholesale, but they don't sell to the public. They only sell to the trade.
Okay.
So it wouldn't do you any good. Now, that arrangement there came from the grocery store.
Oh, wow. Pretty.
And in fact, I do classes a lot of times or demonstrations where I use only grocery store because you can get them from a grocery store. And it doesn't do me any good, but I like perfect flowers, so I use my wholesaler.
There you go.
I was going to say that arrangement looks like you did it, but you didn't do it, right?
I did not.
You didn't do the arrangement at all. It just came that way.
He did.
Oh, wow.
All right. Pretty.
Lovely. Take it back.
I had a good teacher.
How long did you soak your oasis?
About 40 seconds. I use Instant Deluxe. That is the upper level of Oasis that you don't have to soak it for an hour or whatever.
Don't buy me Dollar Tree either.
Now, something else I was going to say, you were talking about hydrangeas, about somebody's wilted. Was it you?
Mine always flop over this.
Oh, you know what? I did. That's right in the garden show.
Yes.
In the flower show. That's right.
Okay, does everybody here know how to cure a wilted hydrangea?
I said a prayer and threw it away.
Upside down, head first in a bucket of water or the sink. Doesn't matter if you put it over the stem length or not, but the important thing is to put the entire head. Most flowers get more water through osmosis through the petals and leaves and things than they do from the ground. They also go from the ground, but no, shove it upside down. If you make the water slightly tepid, very slightly tepid, in an hour, it'll be fully hydrated.
Now, I do have a question about hydrangeas. So, I have like 3 big, huge blue hydrangea plants, and they just seem so dense and thick at the bottom. Is that okay? I mean, it just...
The leaves, you mean?
No, the sticks, you know, just at the base.
Oh,
the
okay.
stems.
Does everybody know the difference between hydrangeas if you were going to put everything into 2 categories, or a million kinds? But there really are only 2 kinds.
The ones that bloom on
Macrophilia, blue, pink, mophead. There is a white, but they're normally colors. And then there's arborescens, Annabelle, limelight. Those are the ones that grow only on new wood. The French hybrid, the blues, the mopheads, they only bloom on old wood. Only. And that's why I would never, I have a few here that were gifts, got to put it in the ground. But you're only going to get a bloom about every 3 or 4, 5 years.
You say leave all that and never do anything with it.
Don't cut them back?
Oh, no, I haven't gotten cutting back yet. I'm doing 101 here.
Oh, okay, gotcha.
Annabelle's limelights, because I'm very specific. I don't want to impart on you incorrect information. I want to make sure that you don't go home and cut a macrophilia to the ground. I want you to only cut an Annabelle or a limelight. So that's why I'm being so specific. Now, the macrophilia, the blues, the pinks, the Nicos, and all of that, those are whatever you call them, they're the French hybrid, only bloom on new wood. You can cut them off at the ground. They will come back, but you will have no blooms for about 18 months. No blooms. Your choice. Now, what I do with the few I've got, is once I have determined what's alive after the winter, I'll go in with my snips and just hand cut 1, 2. The dead ones, the ones that are not viable for any. But I don't get blooms anyway because Tennessee, Nashville gets late freezes. And the sap has already moved up in those, they set bud the year before, and you're gonna lose your bud in a late freeze and not get a bloom. It has to be a perfect spring in Nashville to get a pink or a blue to bloom on a regular basis. It just is. I want it to look Eastery.
Are we done now?
Yeah. Oh, we can never be done. I used to be an oil painter, and the reason why I don't oil paint anymore is because they were never done.